How you doing? I want to continue the video on XL1, and I want to show you something that I learned that might find you important to you. Is with these values. I highlighted these values to show you that you can change their numerical value and how they're formatted. You can have them if you need them. If you have a negative number, you can have it in there. If you have a positive number, if you need it to be shown as a percentage, decimal, what have you. So I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna show you that in the home ribbon there's this thing called general. Right now it's called custom because there's a formula inside. But if I wanted to change that, and let's say we go to accounting, it changes those numbers. Those numbers are now changed. Now, yeah, right now you see them as just a bunch of numbers, but in general, if you had money values, it would change. So right now I changed it to general. So now we're going to change that to numbers and add decimal places and take away decimal places or add commas to it. Let's say we wanted to take away the commas and we wanted to just change it to, and then you go back to general. So now that's definitely available to you because when you're doing Excel, a lot of people do business. So that's definitely another thing that I wanted to show you. Another thing I wanted to show you was that what you can do is you can highlight these numbers and create a really simple graph by going to the insert ribbon at the top, and you can make a pie graph. You could go back with the same highlight information and make a bar graph. You could, you know what I'm saying? And it's just that simple. You could make a whole bunch. You could make a line graph if you wanted to, and it's just all of that is at your disposal when you're able to just highlight the information and make a really quick, simple graph however you see fit, which is definitely a bonus because now you don't got to sit there and make a complicated graph or sit there and type a whole bunch of things. Just highlight it, simple, bam, insert. Another thing I want to show you was. Oh, actually no. I think that's all I have to show you. I'm sorry. Those are the last things I wanted to show you on this because you can do a lot. And then just like Microsoft, if you never learned about Microsoft before, you can add shapes and you can do exactly what you see on the ribbon. Like the ribbon is a powerful tool. I want you guys to really understand that because you have your page layout, you have your orientations, you have your formulas. You have your, you know what I'm saying, you have all of these at your disposal. You want to see the grid lines. So now the paper looks clean. But with the grid lines, if you wanted to have your formula bar or not, the formula bar is this one at the top right here. This right here. So if you want to have your formula bar, if you don't, if you want to have your heading, if you don't, all of that is available to you, and you have the options to be powerful.